So this is a 3D printed um, stamp I made for my students. I'm going to wax seal on here. This is just vegetable oil on a paper towel. So you just kind of dab that in there, coats it up with a little bit of oil. And then this glue gun here has just sealing wax that you can buy on Amazon. It comes in these sticks. This is just a test piece of paper here. And from what I read, you just kind of let it sit there for a little bit and let it kind of cool down a little bit before you try and pull it off. And that oil just kind of helps it keep from sticking on there too much. And because we're all at home and everybody gets all these digital things, I thought it'd be cool to send letters to my students and have a personal seal on there. So this is my test paper. And not too bad. I'm not sure that's focused very well. There we go. Not too bad. So you can 3D print your own. Let's see what that looks like there. If you need me to 3D print a little disc for you, if you send me the design, I could 3D print it. Now you'll be responsible for making a cool handle like this, which is Gorilla Glued on there. So have fun.